Productized services became so popular in the last 3 years. We've seen them literally exploding with success stories of solopreneurs generating crazy numbers or established agencies switching from a classic one-time payment model to a subscription-based one. But with all these success stories and noise online, it's really hard to get a sense of how to start and actually where to start. So hey, I'm Anthony. I'm the founder of Orchestra, a platform to create, manage, and grow productized services. I held off for a long time before recording this course because now, after working in the space for 2 years and creating a tool that helps more than 500 agency owners run their businesses daily, I feel legitimate in helping you. I feel legitimate in sharing how actual people started without an audience, without a first mover advantage, or without even a customer insight, and succeeded with this model. And also why I think you can succeed too. Whether you're just starting with an idea, maybe you're solo, maybe you're with a team, or maybe you're thinking of switching your current business to a productized service model, I'm sure you can get a lot from this course. So maybe you'll be asking, why this course? There's other courses, there's other resources. And what's the difference? First of all, that will be a short course. Also, it's free, which is good. And I will be just sharing my knowledge with you. You can see it as a discussion between you and me. And to make it interesting, I will be sharing actual stories of my users and how they started, what worked, and what probably failed, because a lot of people are also failing. I also ran a productized service myself and decided to focus instead on building a software to manage them because of many reasons. But one of them being I couldn't find a system to start. I couldn't see myself managing everything manually. I believe that as an agency owner, you should focus on providing an exceptional service and not sweating too much on the details. So this course will show you a way to create, test, and potentially scale your productized service rapidly. But I want to be clear. My goal is to stay down to earth and to be real with you. I could tell you that on average, agencies using Orchestra have a monthly recurring revenue of around 11,000 USD a month, which is true and which is really nice. But I could also say, no worries, mate. You'll make the same in 2 weeks. Just subscribe to Orchestra. But this is not what I want. I would be lying, and the truth is that most people won't actually make it. Starting a productized service is no different than starting any other business. So it comes with the same challenges, and you've got to be ready for it. I don't want to sound too bad either. A lot of people succeed, and when they succeed quite well. So if you're passionate enough and you really, really try, I'm sure you can make it. Okay, let's go.